Good morning, Mr. Jeff, charting the market's crypto. This is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 9th of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, we've seen a little bit of a pullback from the highs here, and I'm not really seeing much reason to go lower. We've come back still well above the daily middle band and decent support, but Bitcoin has been leading the pack here. We've got a possible double top here, but I'm not really thinking this has got much of a shot of breaking out. We've got no negative diversions, and I think we'll likely be coming back and retesting this 126.3k high here. What I've got an eye on here, as long as this channel lasts, the next obvious target is the channel resistance, and I've got this up in about the 140, maybe 141 area, and that is an obvious next target. I'm thinking we're going to see a bit more upside on equities likely today. I'm thinking we may well go back and retest this high today, but I'd like to see some more progress towards that target. If we do go and see that, then we may set up a daily RSI 5 sell signal. This hopefully wouldn't involve anything which would break my channel, which would be a very nice thing to last into December. So fingers crossed it wouldn't do that. All right, Solana, we've got a weak RSI 5 sell signal fixed, and we've come back and we've tested the daily middle band. So far, that is holding. Now, in terms of the structure here, could this be a part-formed bull flag? Yeah, it could. I'd rather it wasn't. But if we were to see an ABC, the natural target would be down here in the 175 area at the 50% retracement of the move up from the low at 95.24. I'd prefer not to see that. We have got this little level top here. Not really expecting it to make target, but it is possible. So, and the setup on Ethereum is actually pretty similar. We come back, we've tested the daily middle band, which is good support, and that may well hold. But the structure does have me wondering about ABC. Again, wondering about it, thinking that's a lower probability. And actually, of course, we had this decent looking head and shoulders here. That's already failed. We don't have a target down here anymore, and actually, normally we would see a retest of the high. I think that's the higher probability option. That's what I'm expecting to see. We will see how that goes, but really, I'm expecting to see. I think the most likely thing to see now is retests of the current highs on Solana, on Ethereum, and hopefully a bit of progress to the upside on Bitcoin. That's what I'd like to see, and I think it's a pretty good chance that's the way it's going to happen. All right, looking at questions. We have no questions. In that case, that's a wrap. Watch out. I'm going to have a post out in about an hour. But actually, it's really going to be mainly saying just what I've said now. But I'll have that out anyway. We'll see how that goes. But we've got nice bullish historical stats today. I'm hoping that'll deliver these retests and eliminate this possible overall bull flag scenario, which I'd prefer not to see happen. All right, great. In that case, that's a wrap. Catch you tomorrow. Everyone take care.